Hi everyone, I will show you how to disconnect your Google account in Reddit app. First of all, you need to open the settings of Reddit app and go to your account settings. Now you need to tap to a disconnect option and enter your Reddit password. Now the Google account will be disconnected on your Reddit app.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.